Hi, this is Michelle Reese from Coastal Art Designs. I have a unique way of making a custom sign-up form without coding, without trying to figure out the tutorials that I've read. I've gotten lost. Maybe they don't explain it, or you have to sign up for a course or something like that. Anyways, this is my homepage. This is all the designs I made for the homepage to look. I think it's actually pretty nice. And here's my newsletter that I have. And this is you can. This is only on Squarespace, by the way. I don't know how to do it on any other ones because I'm not using them. But what you do is you go to oops, I already have it. You go to Canva, and you sign in or you log in or whatever. You know the steps to get in. And what you do is you don't go to any of the templates that they say, you make your own custom size or anything like that, because in Squarespace you can, the way we're going to do it, you can you can go in the style editor and change the way looks inside the size. So I go to presentation, the smaller one, and look here for a design for your brand that you want, and it just gives you ideas. It doesn't necessarily mean like this one. You can use the layout in the form, but change everything about it. But that way you have an idea of what you would want to design. Your website to be, or just your newsletter. Well, anyways, the one I chose was this one. This is just that I chose. And as you can tell, you'll see that how I presented it. But so you click on one of these. We're not going to click on that one. I have a MacBook, and so it's very sensitive, the keypad. So I think pick on this, and you design it the way you want it, all that kind of stuff. You can change the picture. You can upload a picture. Let's say, let's say, let's say I wanted to show people this picture, make it look like that, and then, design it, change the colors, all that kind of stuff. And I'm just going to show you that part. That's what you do. So let's get rid of all this, undo, undo, undo. And we're going to upload the one I made. And this one's for, I don't know why it's a smaller size, but this one was I think Canva likes to mess with me because when I download them, they change the size. Okay, see, this is what I made for my my design, my own unique design of my sign up page. The thing is here, this is the thing. It downloads as a PDF file. Okay, because that's what it is. It's a presentation and it's a PDF file. All you do is change it to a JPEG file or a PNG file and download it, and that's it. Okay, plain and simple. Okay, so once you download it, you go over to Coastal Art Designs, my website, and you go to where you want to put the newsletter. So we're going to put it on the first page, which I've already installed it. I'm just going to show you how I did it. See how my homepage looks. Thanks for starting by. Photography, and artwork. Um, I think the presentation looks really nice for not being a web designer. And this is all that was based on the presentation I used. They're all images. Okay. So, of course, if you know Squarespace, you click here, and what pops up is one of these boxes. Okay, you're going to add an image. I'm going to add a spacer just just to add something. Okay, so you go in here, and you take the image, and you take the design. And what you do is not do an inline one like this one, because you can't put a button. You can put just a click through, but you got to explain to them that you have to click on the image. And yes, I missed one part, one important step. Before you do this, you should make an unlinked page that redirects to a sign up for your newsletter that you make specially just to redirect them to sign up for your newsletter. So it's a real nice page. It's real inviting, and it tells what your downloads or anything like that. So anyways, this is why I did it, and I'm going to change it to the left, okay? And what you do is you make the button. You decide that you want a button. You say sign up here, and you go like that. And I didn't write anything on here because I don't know what to write. So you save it. And let me show you. My MacBook is really hard to get used to because the keypad, the touchpad. Anyways, you go to sign up here. Let's see if it redirects. Come on, come on. I had to refresh it. I'm having some issues learning how to use a MacBook versus Windows. It's fun and exciting. The MacBooks are. And I do have some tutorials on Mac how to use MacBook too, because I've been finding some pretty fascinating stuff, and that you will have to sign up for. So see, it redirects me. So sign up now. Exciting new events and more coming soon. And I've got to shoot. I've got to realign this. Anyways, it says enter email address. This is the actual form, the newsletter form that comes in Squarespace, and it's right below it. So it's not like it's tacky looking. I don't think. And then I say thank you, and that's it. Plain and simple. That makes it look really nice. See, it's right here too. Um, I think it looks nice. You can change the way that in the style of the way it looks. So this is how I did it. No coding involved. Easy to do. Plain and simple. You made your own custom um, sign up form, and you don't have to look at tutorials and sign up and figure out how to use MailChimp and the coding and all that kind of stuff, because I've looked, I've tried to figure it out. I can't do it. I don't. I don't think the coding that that they tell you to change. Just you have to learn more of coding, and I just don't feel like doing that. It's not that I don't know how to do it. I just don't want to waste that much time. So I will ask you to please subscribe from my YouTube channel to get more videos on very unique tips and tutorials I have coming up. Also, if you want to learn how to do my it's going to be on the post today. My newest graphic designs. Um, you have to have a MacBook, and you also it's a free app that I found. There is a paid version, and I'm going to be doing videos. And once I find out how many people sign up or are interested in it, I will go into more. I will start making the videos, the detailed videos. Otherwise, I'm not going to spend a whole bunch of time explaining how to do it, because it's a technique that's really hard to, it's a lot of steps and it's a lot of time if nobody's going to watch it. So sign up for that newsletter and get the latest information. And comment below and tell me what you thought of my first video. Just so you know, I did take a speech class, and I broke out in hives the first time that I actually did the speech because I was so nervous. And this is my first video that I'm actually doing as a website owner and business I'm trying to promote. So let me know. I will improve. Okay, thank you, and tell me what you think.